We were also thinking like a community partner space, like maybe somewhere in the school. Like if
in October, the Board of Education voted to look at a bond for a January 26th mail-in ballot. And as part of that bond, it is projected to build 5 new elementary schools in the Shawnee Mission School District.
That would make it successful.
We will be having vision teams, starting with the entire faculty at each building. In addition, we will have a parent group that will include a couple community members that don't necessarily have kids in the school. After those processes begin, we'll be engaging the entire community, a school community, in a thought exchange. So people that want to give input will still have the opportunity to do that through the thought exchange process.
It's more than just a building. It's a new beginning for us, something that a journey that we'll walk together. So yes, it's brick and mortar, yes, it's space and environment, but more than that, I think it means something to this community, it means something to the teachers.
Learning space is huge. When you have that good learning environment, it just kind of blossoms into something really cool, and the kids just really kind of take over with their thoughts, and they build a community, and that turns into good learning because they're collaborating and sharing.
I would like to see a little bit more diversity. I would like to see a lot more culture on the walls. It's a building for the community. Everybody's welcome, and that's the spirit that this building carries.
I think it's really important to have Deemer here in our neighborhood because this is such a residential area that this is going to be a good place for families to raise their kids, just like it was back, when we were growing up.
The best part about creating educational spaces for communities is the word community. When we create a building like this, it's going to be here for generations and generations, and it's going to affect kids and families. And that's very humbling as an architect, to know that it's going to serve generations upon generations of kids.
I think it's going to be huge. I think it'll actually cause people to move into our neighborhood more than they already are. We already, turn over houses pretty quickly to new families, and I think it's just going to add to it. And we hope the bond passes as all previous Shawnee Mission bonds have passed. We hope our community supports us in this endeavor.